Welcome everybody, I'm MikeOfAllTrades, and this is Quick Takes. Quick Takes is a new series I'll be doing on certain things or topics that I want to discuss in about 5 minutes or less. So, the first topic we're going to talk about today is the Pulse 3D wireless headset that is designed for the PS5, and why you should get one. So, this headset right here, was designed for the PlayStation 5. It's got 3D sound, spatial sound, and everything else. And, it's designed for the console. But what if I were to tell you that you can use this on other things as well? For the money, it's $100. And I can quite honestly say that this headset right here completely improves your PlayStation 5 experience. Imagine with me, if you will. You have the headset on, you're playing and everything else. Got your favorite PS5 controller in your hand, and you're playing with the kitty paws. Cat paws. You don't like it, whatever. But you're playing, and you hear something go off in the distance. Then your controller starts to freaking vibrate. It starts to shake. Like you feel little footsteps, like coming towards you while you hear them in your head. And honestly, that's the point of this. Yes, there are a lot of headsets with stereoscopic 3D out there, but the immersion that you get paired alongside of the Pulse 3D headset, it's freaking amazing. Not to mention that you can use this thing for anything else. Funny story, you can use this on your Series X. I've tested it on my Series X with a 3.5mm jack input. It comes in the box with one if you didn't see my unboxing video. It'll be in the cards right now. So yeah, this is the 3.5mm headset. It's connected to my chat link because you guys know make that content. But with that cable, you can use this on the Series X. You can use it on PC. You can use this on a phone call. Funny story, I answered a phone call from one of my friends just wearing this without them even knowing, and they couldn't even tell that I was wearing a headset. So there's that. Like I said, they're comfortable, they're breathable. They don't bother you after hours and hours and hours of gameplay. They're lightweight too, which is crazy. And the amount of sound they produce, like I said, these things almost outclass any high-end Astro headset. Never had a SteelSeries headset, so I can't speak about that. But for the price point, these things are way better than those $140 Astros that are hanging on my wall right now that I usually use for, when I'm playing shooters or whatnot. If you have the money and you're looking for a new headset, I can't say more good things about the Pulse 3D headset. Honestly, I can't. For $99.99, it's a great investment. And you should all have one and experience your next-gen gaming the way that it should be experienced. Anyway, I'm MikeOfAllTrades. That was my quick take. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not, share this video with your friends, and comment below, did you get a headset like this? Did you get the 3D headset? And what do you guys think about it? Anyway, make sure that you follow me in all my links. Scan the QR code that's in the corner, or all my links link will be at the bottom, so you guys can definitely catch the live streams on Twitch and stuff. And then make sure that you sub to my second channel, Mo Plays, where all the stream archives and all the gaming footage and things of that nature will be. Anyway, I'm MikeOfAllTrades. I'm gonna go put these on and go do something. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.